is to go somewhere mysterious for secretive reasons he doesn't want you to know about.
One more question, sir. Where are you going? Forrest Blackwell, sir. What happened? Leave me. It's my job.
Where can I take you, sir?
Very kind of you to ask, young man. I shall be attending one of the last ever performances of the perpetual inbox at the Gillespie Theatre. I trust you have been told of my aversion to pantomimes.
Yes, sir. I'll do my best to shake them off.
I appreciate that this may require you to adopt a somewhat, shall we say, unorthodox style.
It could get a little rough.
Oh, do not worry on my account. I have ridden atop ships of the desert. Nothing can compare to the discomfort that inflicts upon one's skin. Are you a patron of the arts yourself, young man?
Well, I like that TV show with the monkey who solves crimes.
A true connoisseur.
May I ask what the play you're seeing is about?
Authority, regulations, bureaucracy, the usual concerns of petty.
Sounds like my old job.
To have your plans thwarted by fools. But what can you do? You either ignore it and get on with your life.
Or you go mad.
Yes.
Or you can sneak behind their backs and get your own way without them knowing.
The third option. Don't tell anyone. But that's the one I favor.
Me too.
Sorry.
Well, I hope you enjoy the play anyway.
Thank you. I suspect it'll be the last chance I get to see one in quite some time. I have rather a long trip coming up. Is that the time? Would you hurry, please? I need the lavatory. Well, I think I just about survived that journey, driver. There's no need to wait. I shall be getting home by other means. Goodbye!
Goodbye, sir.